DJM TV.
The APC no go fit win the 2023 general vote if sabi country people, how una dey now? Una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, sake of the time when the time be now for una side. When it be say una take the look us on top our day-to-day tori informate yarns on top our sabi TV station when be DJM TV. Na me una correct country brother Stanley Okocha. Na me wan still yarn una the tori when informate when it be say e don shele inside Naija on top this time. Yes, so the tori when it dey now be say the deputy senate president for the Naija National Assembly, when him name be Senator Ovie Omo-Agege, don correction the All Progressive Congress when they be APC, make them not make the kind mistake when it be say the People's Democratic Party when be PDP make before the 2015 general vote when it come make them lose the 2015 vote. Senator Omo-Agege yarn this one as him dey yarn for one All Progressive Congress South area village square table talk meet when e be say dem do for inside Asaba. Im yarn say Naija people no go vote for all the people when e be say dem go submission themselves for under the All Progressive Congress for the 2023 general vote when go dey shele for inside Naija. If all the people when e be say dem dey for their party and dem dey for power now come fail to do the things when e be say dem promise Naija people before. For Senator Ovie Omo-Agege mouth as him take yarn am, history dey call our great party. Na the first time when e be say the political party when e be say e dey for opposition go come remove the political party when e be say e sit down gidigba on top power for inside the life of our country Naija. My fellow country people and party men, e dey good make we remember say the People's Democratic Party wey be PDP with full mind boast say dem go dey for seat of power and rule Naija for 60 years. E come take one strong resolvement and determination of the people of the country to take scatterize the mind and regime when the People's Democratic Party be get. Now the big lesson dey when be say we must to learn from that thing and we must to put am for inside our head and mind and continuation to dey think about am well. E come quick still yarn join say Naija don grow well for inside political matter. For the deputy president mouth again, Naija people don show say dem don reach the age of political matureness. So politicians and political party must to dey make sure say dem dey do all the promise when e be say dem dey promise dem or dem go face the kind of removal when e shele for inside 2015. Even though this one we must give politicians the right place for them to take to do their promise. Now this one be why we must come provision one work guide book when it be say the constitution when e go be say we go dey use take the arrangement both the responsibleness and obligationless of party men and party women and their right and privilegement. The deputy senate president come quick add say make the party get guide every time when e be say na constitution when e be say e go get the people for my mind. For him mouth as he take yarn join am, as we dey work the APC must position themselves for one way when be say e go come be say Naija people no go fit come resistance their beauty by the time 2023 general vote go come and reach. The deputy senate president come see rechargement the constitution reviewment committee make them consider all the area when e be say e dey cause gbege for inside the constitution before and make them come make sure say they arrange am well to come make sure all those kind gbege no go dey shele again for im mouth as im take yarn am. The first for me na to really orderly arrange the constitution to give better power and better measurement to all the different organogram when e be say dem dey inside the party plus clear area when e be say dem go dey do their work. Another one be say make we share power go reach the grassroots when e be say our party dey. Today our party dey boast of 12 million Naija people when e be say dey strong gidigba and still dey grow for inside our party matter. So the constitution review go need to give particular work to the zone part of the party so that power go come wakament go reach the world level. Na there we go come really dey gidigba for ground for inside naija, and by the time the 2023 general vote go come reach, you go see say naija pipo go come stand gidigba and make sure say the All Progressives Congress (APC) wey be our party go come win the election correctly and kampe. Still for on top politics matter for inside naija, the People's Democratic Party when e be say dem be PDP don yarn say the boss when the All Progressives Congress (APC) dey boss say dem go dey for seat of power for another 26 years na big gbege when e be say dem dey put for the face of all the naija pipo. The party yarn say the APC yarn say dem don registration 36 million naija pipo put join their party for the registration when e be say dem dey do na big lie when e be say dem e be like gallon wey no carry any water for inside at all. According to the PDP talk person when im name be Mr. Kola Ologbondiyan, im yarn say the party know say the APC National Caretaker Committee chairman when im name be Mai Mala Buni yarn something like that sake of say im believe say the APC go use force take gbege the Independent National Electoral Commission when be INEC and the judiciary and the security people, and even use bad pipo when they carry kalash when e be say dem go bring for inside the countries when e be say dem near naija to take help dem change the mind of naija pipo for the 2023 vote time. For Mr. Kola Ologbondiyan mouth, for Buni wayo GBT mind, make naija pipo ready theirself for another 26 years gbege pain hungry belle kpai and suffer. This one na the highest talk anyhow, no human feeling and cause for the sense for the naija pipo body. The PDP come advisement to the APC make dem stop the boast and wake up from their sleep sake of say naija pipo don decide say the APC rule for naija go end for the 2023 vote. For Mr. Kola Ologbondiyan mouth again, Governor Buni and im pipo when e be say dem dey travel together for inside the illegal APC National Caretaker Committee must to know say naija no be their own personal property or the property of any group when e be say e dey hungry for power for inside naija. The APC suppose know say naija pipo never see this kind suppression and conquerment sake of any political interest before, and dem no go want still see am again. In fact, naija pipo don know now, and dem don more than before don ready kampe plus prepare well to take resistance all the plan arrange when e be say the APC wan use to take force dem against their mind to take remain for seat of power. If to say our country go fit go for inside mid-term vote, the APC no go fit get 20% of all the vote when e be say naija pipo go vote. So make APC stop the yan when e be say dem dey yan to naija pipo face like say naija pipo be pipo wey no get voice, mind and hope again. The People's Democratic Party wey be PDP come quick add say naija pipo don get ready to take deal with APC and give dem one better big blow for the 2023 vote when go come kpai the APC finally sake of say the APC no go fit stay for power for time when go pass 2023 sake of say naija pipo don decide am even before that time go reach. So Mr. Kola Ologbondiyan come advise the APC make dem just remain for one place, make dem keep themselves for one place sake of say naija pipo don decide their matter even before 2023 go reach. Country pipo, na yawa tori for break leg on top this time wey be say we take yarn am come out as e take shele. We wan thank una well for the time when the business don take the look us since, and we wan beg una say make una like, make una share, make una comment, and more importantly make una subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. And once una subscribe, make una come put una hand for the notification bell so that una go continue to get our hot ogbonge tori anytime they shele and we knack them come out. Until next time when e be say we go dey come una way again with another ogbonge tori wey go don shele that time. My name na still una country brother Stanley Okocha for DJM TV News. I salute una well well, una well done.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
Fulani people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJM TV. DJM TV.